welcome to the second part in the safety series. Today we're going to be talking about fire extinguishers. Today I brought three of the most common fire extinguisher types that are found in RVs today. We're going to talk a little bit about each one, how to know whether they're charged and ready for service, if they've discharged and need to be replaced, and a brief instruction on how to use them. The first extinguisher that we're going to talk about has what's called a sight gauge. This sight gauge will indicate whether it is full or empty. It's my recommendation, if it's on the line, as this one is, that it be replaced, because it's anybody's guess whether this one's empty or full. To use this particular type of fire extinguisher, you are going to put your finger through the red ring, pull it out of the handle, and then squeeze to discharge the fire extinguisher contents. And if you don't know this already, aim at the base of the fire in a sweeping motion to the left and right until the fire is extinguished. The second type of extinguisher that we're going to talk about is this style here. This one's a little bit different. You'll notice this white, I guess I'll call it a knob or a button on top. And then if you look right here, there's a green stem. This particular fire extinguisher is discharged. If yours looks like this at the top, yours is discharged as well. A good charged fire extinguisher, the green stem will be protruding through the top of the button. You should be able to feel it as well as see it in order for it to function. If you cannot see or feel the stem coming out of the top of the button, it is discharged and needs to be replaced. So if yours looks like this one, replace it immediately. In order to use this fire extinguisher, you will simply remove the yellow collar towards the back, pull it out, and push this button located here to discharge the contents of the fire extinguisher. This will be the last type commonly found in modern RVs. On this particular unit, you'll notice the green stem we saw on the last fire extinguisher is protruding from the handle. Not only can I feel it and see it, but it's definitely charged because it's still sticking up. When this fire extinguisher discharges, this stem will slowly drop down inside of the handle until I can't see it or feel it at the top. So this fire extinguisher is in good shape and ready for service. In order to use this extinguisher, you will pull this white pin from the handle and press this button to discharge the contents of this fire extinguisher. Checking your fire extinguisher regularly and maintaining and making sure that it's charged is a very important part of RVing. If you were to experience a fire in your RV, you're definitely going to want a fire extinguisher, and you're definitely going to want to exit the recreational vehicle immediately. These things burn very quickly. Hopefully none of you have a fire. Your owner's manual will tell you to check your fire extinguisher before each use of the RV. It's a very quick, simple thing to do. They're usually located by the entry door. Just look down, look for the green tab, or check your sight gauge and make sure that the needle still says full. Then you're good to go. Very quick tip, could save your life, could save your RV. Thanks for joining me for the second in the series of safety videos, fire extinguishers. Hope you enjoyed this and maybe learned something. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you in the next safety video. Have a great day.